taken a look at Find and Replace, let's see what PowerPoint can do to help you to spell check your document. Let's go to the Window menu, and from the Window menu, select Presentation 7 in my case. This is the presentation we were working on, Getting Started. I'm going to create a brand new slide, and it's going to be a slide with bullet points. And I'm going to begin to add a title. The title I'm going to add is Learning, and I'm going to type Learning, L-E-A-R-N-I-G, and hit my space bar. If you look carefully, notice that the word learning has a squiggly line underneath it. PowerPoint is letting us know that there's something wrong with this word. I'm going to leave it for right now and then type in how to spell, and spell with one L. Now let's go back to the word learning. I'm going to right mouse click on the word learning, and PowerPoint gives me suggestions for the correct spelling for this word. I can select any of the options here, click to ignore this option, or actually add it to my dictionary. I'm going to select learning, and PowerPoint has corrected the entry for me. If I right mouse click on the word spell, I can select spell, and the word spell was replaced. Now let's try something else. I'm going to click in an item down here and type in receive, and I'm going to spell receive, R-E-C-I-E-V-E, and hit my space bar. The moment I hit my space bar, PowerPoint changed the entry to the correct spelling of receive. This is something called autocorrect, which you'll learn more about later. But autocorrect has entries within it that are commonly misspelled entries, and autocorrect knows to change the entry for me automatically. I'm going to type in ADN instead of AND and hit my space bar. Once again, this is a common mistake, so PowerPoint has corrected it for me. So one way that I can spell check is essentially that PowerPoint is spell checking for me on the fly. Some words it's going to autocorrect for me, and other words it's going to put squiggly lines underneath so that I know that something's wrong. I could fix those words immediately, or else I can actually run the spell checker. I'm going to just press enter, and I'm going to put in my name, Allison Balter, and press enter. Notice that Allison is a recognized word, but Balter is not. If I want to add this word to the dictionary, I can right mouse click it and select add. Now that word is added to the dictionary so that PowerPoint will never find it again. Let's make a couple more misspellings, ones that won't autocorrect, and then we're going to run the spell checker. I'm going to type in brand new, and I'm going to spell new, N-E-W-W, sub topic, and then E-N-T-R-I. Press enter and put in here is another misspelling. Notice on that one it was fixed for me. So now I'm ready to run the spell checker. I'm going to go to my first slide. Click anywhere on my first slide and go up to the Tools menu on the toolbar. From the Tools menu, I'm going to select Spelling. PowerPoint found the first incorrectly spelled word, which is the word new, N-E-W-W. And again, my assistant is going crazy. I'm going to change this to the word new. There are various options that are available to me. I can select from the suggestions. I can opt to ignore this because maybe it's something that I know is spelled a funny way here and I just want to ignore it. I can ignore all occurrences of this entry within the entire presentation. This does not add it to the dictionary. It just ignores it for the spell check. I can change, which is the same as double-clicking new. I can change all. I can add to the dictionary, and I can have PowerPoint make suggestions. I can also go into the autocorrect feature to work with autocorrect from here. I'm going to double-click to select new. And notice that PowerPoint corrected the entry for me. On entry, if I say ignore, it's going to ignore E-N-T-R-I. For another, it suggested another right over here, so I'm going to select it. And it says the spell checking is complete. So that's the spell checker in PowerPoint 97, and it's very powerful. Autocorrect is an extremely